Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Adam and Anna podcast, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Anna.
And I'm Adam. Hi, everyone. Hello, Anna. How are you today?
I'm great, Adam. How about you?
I'm wonderful, thank you. I'm really excited about today's episode.
Me too. So, today we're going to talk about something very important. We're going to talk about jobs.
Yes, jobs. Work. Everyone has a job or wants a job, right?
Exactly. And talking about your job in English is very useful. You can use it in interviews, at parties, or when you meet new people.
That's true. So today, Anna and I will have a natural conversation about our jobs. And you, our listeners, will learn useful words and phrases.
Perfect. And before we start, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends who are learning English.
Yes, please do that. It really helps us. Okay, Anna, are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's talk about our jobs.
So, Anna, what do you do? What's your job?
Well, I'm a graphic designer. I design logos, posters, and websites.
Wow, that's creative. How long have you been doing that?
For about 3 years, I studied design in college, and now I work for a small company.
Oh, so you work in an office.
Yes, I work in an office. It's not far from my home, about 20 minutes by car.
That's convenient. What time do you go to work?
I leave home at 8:30, and I arrive at the office around 9 o'clock.
And what time do you finish?
I finish at 6 in the evening. Sometimes I stay a little later if I have a big project.
Oh, so you work long hours sometimes.
Yes, sometimes, but I don't mind because I love what I do.
That's important. When you love your job, long hours don't feel so bad.
Exactly. What about you, Adam? What do you do?
I'm a teacher. I teach English to students from different countries.
Oh, that's wonderful. How long have you been a teacher?
I've been a teacher for about 5 years now. I really love it.
That's great. So where do you work? Do you work in a school?
I work online, actually. I teach from my home. I use my computer and the internet.
Oh, really? So you work from home?
Yes, exactly. I work from home. It's very comfortable.
That sounds nice. Do you work every day?
I work 5 days a week, Monday to Friday. I don't work on weekends.
Lucky you. So what time do you start work?
I usually start at 9 in the morning and I finish around 5 in the afternoon.
That's a normal schedule. And what do you do in your job? What are your daily tasks?
Well, I prepare lessons in the morning, then I teach classes. I have about 4 or 5 classes every day.
4 or 5 classes? That sounds busy.
Yes, it can be busy, but I enjoy it. I also answer emails and give homework to my students.
That's interesting. Do you like your job?
Yes, I love my job. I meet people from all over the world, and I help them improve their English. It's very rewarding.
That's beautiful. I can see you really enjoy it.
I do. So, Anna, tell me more about your typical day. What's it like?
Well, I start my day by checking my emails. Then I have a team meeting with my colleagues.
A team meeting? What do you talk about?
We talk about our projects, our ideas, and our plans for the week. It's very helpful.
That sounds organized. And then?
Then I work on my designs. I use special software on my computer. I create colors, shapes, and text.
That sounds fun. Do you work alone or with other people?
I work with a team. We have about 6 people in our team. We help each other.
That's nice. Teamwork is important.
Yes, exactly. And sometimes I meet with clients to show them my designs.
Oh, do you present your work?
Yes, I present my work. I show them the designs, and they tell me if they like it or want changes.
That sounds a bit stressful. What if they don't like your design?
Well, it happens sometimes, but it's okay. I just make changes and try again.
That's a good attitude. You're very patient.
Thank you. You have to be patient in this job. What about you? Is your job stressful?
Sometimes, when I have many students or difficult topics, I feel a little stressed. But most of the time, it's fine.
I understand. Teaching can be challenging, especially with different students who learn at different speeds.
Yes, that's true. Some students learn very quickly, and others need more time. But that's normal.
Of course, everyone is different. Do you have a favorite part of your job?
Yes, my favorite part is when my students understand something new. When they say, "Oh, I get it now." That makes me very happy.
That's so sweet. That's the best feeling.
Yes, it really is. What about you? What's your favorite part?
I love when I finish a book project and the client is very happy. That feeling is amazing.
I can imagine. It's nice when people appreciate your work.
Exactly. And I also love the creative process, brainstorming ideas, trying different designs, choosing colors.
So you enjoy the whole journey, not just the final result.
Yes, the process is just as fun as the result. Every project is different, so I always learn something new.
That's wonderful. Learning new things keeps work interesting.
Absolutely. So, Adam, do you have any colleagues?
Well, I work from home, so I don't see colleagues every day. But I have other teachers I talk to online. We share ideas and tips.
That's nice. It's good to have support.
Yes, definitely. Even though I work alone, I don't feel isolated. Technology helps us stay connected.
That's true. The internet makes everything easier. And you have a good team, right?
Yes, my online community is great. We help each other with lesson plans and teaching strategies.
That's perfect. A good team makes work easier.
I agree 100%. What about your colleagues? Are they friendly?
Yes, they are. My colleagues are very friendly and creative. We work well together.
That's important. A good work environment makes such a difference.
It really does. When you enjoy the people you work with, you enjoy your job more.
Exactly. So, do you travel for work?
Sometimes. If we have a big client in another city, I go there for meetings. But it's not very often.
That's interesting. Do you like traveling for work?
Yes, I do. It's nice to see new places. But I also like being at home.
I understand. Balance is important.
Yes, exactly. What about you? Do you travel?
No, I don't travel. I stay home and teach online. But my students are from many countries, so I feel like I travel in my mind.
That's a nice way to think about it.
Yes, I have students in Japan, Brazil, Spain, France. I learn about their cultures while teaching them English.
Oh, that's beautiful. So your job is also educational for you.
Exactly. I teach English, but I also learn about the world.
I love that. So, Adam, what skills do you need for your job?
Good question. I need to be patient, friendly, and organized. I also need to speak English clearly and explain things simply.
Those are important skills for a teacher.
Yes, and I need to be flexible, too. Sometimes plans change, and I have to adapt quickly.
Flexibility is important in any job, I think.
Absolutely. What about you? What skills do you need?
I need to be creative, of course. And I need to know how to use design software. I also need good communication skills to talk with clients.
That makes sense. Communication is important in every job.
Absolutely. Oh, and one more thing. I need to be open to feedback.
Yes, feedback helps us grow and improve.
Exactly. Sometimes clients give me feedback that's hard to hear, but it helps me become a better designer.
That's a great attitude. Constructive criticism is valuable.
Yes, it is. Do you get feedback from your students?
Yes, I do. At the end of each course, students can leave reviews or comments. It helps me understand what works and what doesn't.
That's helpful. So you can improve your teaching methods.
Exactly. I'm always learning and growing as a teacher.
That's wonderful. Okay, Adam, last question. Do you see yourself doing this job in the future?
That's a great question. Yes, I think so. I love teaching, and I want to continue helping people learn English.
That's wonderful. I hope you keep doing it.
Thank you. What about you?
I think so too. I want to become a senior designer or maybe open my own design studio one day.
That sounds like a great dream.
Thank you. Dreams are important, right?
Yes, very important. Goals give us something to work towards.
Exactly. And even if plans change, it's good to have a direction.
I completely agree. Having a vision for the future is motivating.
Well, Adam, this was a really fun conversation.
I agree. I enjoyed talking about jobs with you.
Me too. And I hope everyone listening learned something useful today.
Yes, I hope so. Now you can talk about your job in English.
Exactly. You can say, I'm a teacher, I work in an office, I work from home, I start at 9, and many more phrases.
You can also say, I've been working for 5 years. I work with a team. My favorite part is, I need to be patient.
These are all very useful expressions for everyday conversations.
Perfect. Oh, looks like we're out of time for today.
Yes, time flies when you're having fun.
So true. Okay, everyone, now we want to hear from you.
Yes, tell us in the comments, what do you do? What's your job?
And you can also tell us, do you like your job? Why or why not?
Or you can tell us, what's your dream job? We would love to know.
We'd love to read your comments. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends.
Yes, please do. It helps us a lot. Your support means everything to us.
Thank you so much for listening today, everyone.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Take care and keep practicing your English.
Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone.